Insecticidal gang, what's up? First, I'd like to ask you to please like, share, and subscribe this video. I'm here to talk to you today, as you can see by the title, about repotting Sarracenia seedlings. It's a daunting task for some, but I'm here to show you a way in which it's not that bad. Last time I showed you something like this, I was using a chopstick to poke the hole to stick the seed in. Recently, I just started using forceps and it changed my life. I'll show you here on this video. The first thing you may notice though, the pot on the left has moist peat in it. The pot on the right, the peat is a little drier. The pots on the right, the peat has been pre-moistened. So this is not peat fresh out the pack, never had any water on it, hydrophobic peat. That is not what we're working with here today. This peat has already been moistened, but it air dried overnight. So all I have to do is spray this and it'll moisten it right back up, which you'll see at the end of this video. But the reason that I do drier peat when I'm potting up plants, especially these delicate seedlings, is, as you can see here on the video, the forceps, or just a fancy name for tweezers, as you can see, it's very easy to drive that root down into the peat. When the peat is really wet, that becomes tough to do and you can break that root. So the drier peat is easier to just drive that root down in there without damaging that root. So I'm just lining them up in rows and evenly spaced. Like I said, I'm doing this every, I've said this before, I haven't said it in this video, but I'm doing this every 90 days, so they'll never ever really just become super overcrowded. I'm following a method that my man Joseph follows, that he's kind of now I'm not gonna say pioneered, I'm not sure where he got it from, but he does this and gets some extreme growth from his Sarracenia seedlings. He repots them every 90 days. So I'm gonna give it a shot and document it as well, so that we just have more people documenting these methods to see what does and does not work. I can attest to you though, what doesn't work. What doesn't work is doing nothing. I have some seeds that I sowed last May that are smaller than seeds that I sowed in December, because I've been repotting the younger seeds. So I'm not gonna talk your head off today. I'm just showing you how I repot these. I'm gonna speed this video up so we can get to the end. I'm gonna spray them down and then we're gonna throw these things under lights. But I appreciate y'all checking out the video and I will talk to you soon. The spring is here. We've got pictures coming. We've got flowers coming. We have videos coming. We got more content. Hip hip hooray for more content. I'll talk to y'all later.